Hello, today we're going to be making bird feeders. It's not pretty, but it'll work. So what you'll need are pine cones, peanut butter, you can use crunchy or creamy, and if you're allergic to peanut butter, sunflower butter works too. And then materials to make your own bird food if you don't have bird food. If you have bird food, that works perfectly, but I don't, and I wanted to use things that I could get on my grocery run. So I got sunflower seeds that are not salted or roasted, so they're just raw sunflower seeds, and white millet. These were both in the bulk aisle of my grocery store. Other ingredients you can use are corn, peanuts, you can use dried fruits, all sorts of things. Check online first though. And so we'll get started. So first you're going to take your pine cone and take some peanut butter and just coat the pine cone in peanut butter. You kind of want to get it stuck inside the parts of the pine cone. Then once it's covered in peanut butter, you have your bowl of birdseed and you just roll it in. It's pretty easy. So here, that's my completed bird feeder, or almost completed. Then we'll take some string and we will tie it around the top, you know, the little pointy top of the pine cone. And then you can hang it outside on a tree or off of a fence, wherever the birds will get it. Another fun bird feeder, so you can see different kinds of birds, is if you slice half an orange and put that on a tree. Lots of migrating birds like oranges. And also so do hummingbirds. So this is our final product, a bird feeder made from stuff you can easily find at home.